Hello again everyone, Angus here, dietitian with Fuel Your Life in Coffs Harbour. Another fantastic recipe again. I'm really enjoying doing these, so I hope you guys are enjoying seeing them and trying them and creating them, and most of all enjoying them at home. So today, another fantastic recipe out of our fantastic book, which is a whole book dedicated to whole grains and legumes. So today, the legume or bean that we're using as a star of our dish is the humble little black bean, which is really nice. And we're going to be making some bean tostadas essentially. So a bit of a healthier version than traditional. I think we still get away with calling it a tostada. So to start off with ingredients, we've got just some small tortillas. So two per serve in this recipe, so you'll get 2 serves out of this amount of ingredients. We've got a 400 gram can of black beans. We've got some spices here. So we've got in here 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And then we've got a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then what we'll do with finishing off is we've got some lettuce, about a cup worth, a decent handful of cheese, a spring onion that's been thinly sliced, some coriander, and a medium tomato thinly diced up as well. But first thing we need to do is get the oven on, so 180 degrees, and then we're going to chuck the tortillas in there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and they should crispen up in that time. Alright, set a timer, however you see fit. So I'm going to do 15 minutes and then check on them. While they're in there, a pan is heating up on a medium heat. Whack a bit of oil in there. And then we're just going to add in our beans. Our tablespoon of lemon juice. And then our spices. So remember spices, garlic powder, onion powder, and cumin. I need a spatula. So that, oh yeah, it smells good. So just going to fry those beans for about 5 to 10 minutes. So that should line up with the tortillas in the oven. And then just want to keep stirring them around, let them cook through. And then we're going to just slowly add a little bit of water every couple of minutes to make sure that it doesn't stick and that the spices don't burn. And then that's the first point done. So like I said, while it's cooking away, so this is going to go for a few minutes, I've added a little bit of water as needed. It's starting to dry up now. Not sure if you can see that or not. So just keep adding water little by little. End result is essentially some beans that are easily mashed, because that's what we're going to create, essentially a bean mash. So that's the end result of frying these up with a little bit of water. Cool. Alright, been about 10-12 minutes with the tortillas in the oven. These have been bubbling away and I've just been adding water slowly. So let's check. So they're crisping up well. So like I said, that was 180 degrees, about 10 to 12 minutes. Just make sure you check, because they can burn quite easy. They're hot, but they're exactly what we want, nice and crispy. So now onto the beans. So let's finish these off. So they're starting to look like they're mashable. And when they look mashable, we mash them. So just turn it off. And then using whatever masher you got, you just want to crush them up. And then just mash them up to whatever consistency you want. If you want kind of little bean chunks in there, that's fine. If you want it super fine and mashed up, be my guest, spend 15 to 20 minutes doing it. It's up to you. But this looks good enough for me. Oh yeah, that's good. Cool. Now the easy bit, we're gonna assemble the tostadas. So first you want whatever two you like. A spoon. Just be careful when you spread it out not to crack anything. Alright, then simply just top it, so however you want to do it. So some lettuce on this one, some lettuce on that one. Get your hands in there, some tomato. Some coriander. So whack that on there. The spring onion again. Just gonna sprinkle that over the top. You can always add chili as well if you like, a bit of sriracha, whatever. A little bit of cheese on each one as well. There you go, a little bit messy, but that's how they are. So there you have some beautiful black bean tostada, a perfect lunch or dinner, or even a snack if you want to just have one. I'm going to give it a go. Yeah, I'll be making that again for sure. That's really, really good. Hope you guys like that. I certainly do. So if you give it a go, let us know in the comments, subscribe, all that jazz. Thanks again. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Thanks guys.